Good morning. My name is Fire Chief Jay Delaney. I am the fire chief in the city of Wilkes-Barre, Pennsylvania, and I'm really happy to read with the Read Across America program in conjunction with the United Way. At the end of my reading, we'll talk about some of the rules when it comes to fire and what you could do to prepare your houses and to have a discussion with your parents. I always like to read this book, Clifford the Firehouse Dog, because I think it's kind of fun and it shows you a little bit about what firefighters do. So, Clifford the Firehouse Dog. My name is Emily Elizabeth, and this is my dog, Clifford. Clifford is not the oldest in the family, but he is the biggest. Last week, Clifford and I went to the city to visit Clifford's brother, Nero. Clifford knew the way. Nero lives in a firehouse. He is the fire rescue dog. I asked the firefighters if Clifford could help them. They thought he was the right color for the job. Just then, a group of school children came in for a fire safety class. Nero showed them what to do if their clothing catches on fire. To smother the flames, you stop, drop to the floor, and roll until the fire is out. So if you look at the top of the picture, it says stop. In the middle, it says drop, and then you simply roll back and forth until the fire is out. Clifford thought he could do that. He repeated the lesson for the class. He stopped. He dropped. And he rolled. He continued to roll back and forth. He rolled a little bit too far. Just then, we heard the siren. There was a fire. Nero stayed to guard the children. Clifford and I ran ahead. He cleared the street for all of the fire trucks. Smoke was pouring from the top floor of the tall building. Clifford pushed the crowd back to stay safe and to a safe place. He saw some people in trouble. Clifford to the rescue. The heavy hose was hard to unreel. Clifford gave the firefighters a hand. But then he saw the fire hydrant was stuck shut. Thank goodness Clifford was there to unstick it. They had to get the smoke out of the building. Clifford made a hole in the roof. The firefighters were calling for more water. Clifford found some. He helped clear the smoke away from the building. When the fire was out, Clifford made sure that the firefighters got out of the burning building safely. They were grateful for everything he had done to help. We gave some firefighters a ride back to the firehouse. Clifford was a hero. The fire chief made him an honorary fire rescue dog, just like his brother Nero. And that is a great story. But now we need to learn a little bit. Remember, if there's a fire, dial 911. Have your parents show you how to do that. The second thing is know 2 different ways to get out of your house or apartment building if there is a fire. Number 3, choose a place nearby where you and other members of your family can meet if your house is on fire or you get separated. Never ever go back into your house for anything if the building is on fire. Tell your mom or dad to change the battery in your smoke alarms every year or on your birthday. Do not play with matches and never use the stove without an adult present. So, I'm really happy that we had a chance to read today, Clifford the Firehouse Dog. Remember when you go home today to ask your parents where the smoke alarm is in your house and ask them if it works. Okay, children, thanks very, very much for allowing me to read to you today. I'm going to sign off and go back to work. Thank you. Have a great day.